Welcome to the class. We will start with warm-ups. Today we will skip neck exercise and we will do it later. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Uh, Sorry, I think we will start with the shoulder exercise. So keep both the legs together, hands along with the body. Now rotate shoulder ball forward. Make a bigger circle. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Now both the hands forward rotation, keeping elbows straight. Rotate both the hands together. When hands goes up, shoulders coming closer to the ears. Make sure throughout the rotation elbows are straight. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Now alternatively lift the hands up and down, keeping elbows straight. Now both the hands together up and down. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs. Join both the palms at the front, keeping elbows straight. Exhaling, stretch the hands back at the shoulder height. Now swing to right and left. When you go to right hand going back, left palm is coming onto the right shoulder. Twist maximum. Similarly, towards left. Make sure your hands are moving at the shoulder height. Don't drop them. Relax. Now keep both the legs together. Again, bring hands forward, palms looking down. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Similarly, up and down, take both the hands up. Exhaling, pull the elbows down and lock them at the front. Don't take them back. Now place both the palms on the shoulders. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them back. Now join the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Keeping elbows together, bring them down and start rotating. Make a bigger circle. Try to keep elbows together for a longer distance. Similarly, join the elbows at the bottom. Bring them up and then start rotating. Now from sideways, lift the shoulders up and down. From shoulder to elbow straight and coming closer to the ear. Only shoulders are moving, not the body or the head. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Now rotate the abdomen clockwise. Only abdomen should get rotated. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Relax. Now keeping legs over there. Inhaling. Take both the hands up at the shoulder width. Once again inhale. Stretch both the hands up. Exhaling. Bend back. Completely exhale, bend back, and normal breathing in the final stage. You can bend even knees. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Rest of them, completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor. If you are able to touch the fingers, try to place the entire palm on the floor. Forehead is coming between both the knees. Make sure knees are straight. Now keeping your back as low as possible, try to swing to left and right. When you come to left, right palm is coming to right, left feet, left hand is going back, going up. Look towards the hand going up. Don't lift your lower back. Slowly come back. Raise the body up. Normalize the breath. Now keeping the hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg a little. Now rotate the ankle. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Similarly, left leg. Clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Now sit on the asana. We will do few warm-ups on the backbone. Slowly lie down on the back. Hands along with the body. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the hips. As close as possible. Once you get a comfort, you can keep your feet little apart. Initially, you can bring it close to the hips. Now, every time when you exhale, lift head a little and take your hands towards the feet. Try to surpass your hands towards the feet. Exhale, lift your head and see your hands are surpassing the toes or coming closer to the toes. See the impact at the lower abdomen. Excess fat at the lower abdomen will get reduced. Slowly relax for a few seconds. Now, similarly, do it from the sideways. Every time when you exhale, come to right and left. When you come to right, your right hand is surpassing the toe, right toe. When you come to left, left palm is surpassing the left toe. Do it at least 10 times. Excess fat at the sides will reduce. Relax. Relax for a few seconds. Now lift both the legs, folding at the knee. From knee to elbows parallel to the floor. From thigh joint to knee straight. Now take both the hands, interlock the fingers behind the neck. Now lift your head a little. Every time when you exhale, your right elbow coming to left knee, left elbow coming to right knee. Do it at least 5 times each side. Slowly relax. Relax for a few seconds. Lie down in the same position. Now take both the hands towards the head on the floor. Elbow to raise side of the palms should be on the floor. Keep little distance between both the feet. Those who have severe backache, you can avoid this. Rest of them, every time when you exhale, lift yourself up and see you're able to place your palms between both the feet. And inhaling, go back. Exhaling, come forward. Do it at least 10 times. Even if you are not able to lift completely and place the palms, try to lift wherever you are comfortable. Without lifting the feet. Feet should be on the floor. Relax. Relax for a few seconds. Turning from right. Come and sit in relaxed position so that we'll go for preparation for Padmasana. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands behind the hips. Look up. Close your eyes. Normalize the breath. Now join both the legs. Fold the right leg. Bring the feet close to the chest while exhaling. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Now fold the right leg. Place the ankle on the left knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your right knee towards the floor. Don't look at your knee. Look straight. Let your right hand do the job. You don't need to look at the knee. Now catch hold of the right knee with both the hands. Inhaling. Bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards left side of the chest. Inhaling, send it back. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, send it back. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, send it back. Now hold the ankle with the left hand, knee with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards right. Try to pull your knee maximum towards right. In the final stretch, knee should be little below and ankle should be up. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with left hand, inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel, exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the left ear without bending the head. Even if you are not able to bring it close to the ear, that's fine, but don't bend the head. Exhaling, normalize the right leg. Now fold the left leg. Bring the feet close to the chest. While exhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, bring it close. Inhaling, straighten the leg. Now fold the left leg. Place the ankle on the right knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your left knee towards the floor. Look forward, don't look at your left knee. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards right side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Now hold the knee with the left hand, ankle with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards left. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with the right hand. Inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head. Exhaling, normalize the left leg. Now we will do butterfly. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the thigh joint, as close as possible. Keeping back and neck straight. Now try to tap the knees towards the floor. Try to oscillate them maximum. If you straighten the body, you will be able to do it better. Relax, relax both the legs, straighten them. Now fold the right leg, bring the heel left side of the navel, fold the left leg, place it on top of the right leg so that both the heels close to each other, both knees on the floor, hands in Dhyana Mudra, thumb and index finger gently touching each other, remaining 3 fingers straight and looking down, wrist on the knees, elbows close to the body, eyes gently closed. We will do deep and long breathing. Start exhaling slowly, as slow as possible. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Holding the breath outside, apply Molband. Pulling up of the perineal muscles is Molband. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently. The deep inhalation up to the throat. Again apply Molband. Release Molband. Normalize the breath. And then repeat 2 more times. relax. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Take a deep breath. Mahamantra Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Try to get up without taking support of your hands. If you cannot, then come on to the knees and then get up. Today we will do another asana, Uttana Pristhasana. Come on to the mountain pose, keeping little distance between both the legs. Place your palms in front of your legs like a mountain pose. All 5 fingers together. Now inhaling, bring your right leg towards outside of your right palm. It should come, your feet should come outside of your palm. Try to bring your lower back down, chest forward and head back. Those who are not comfortable, you can place your elbows also on the floor. But if you are comfortable, place your palms and then try to bring your right leg towards right palm. Exhaling, take the right leg back. Now inhaling, bring the left leg forward, outside of your left palm. Once you place the feet, now try to bring your lower back down and chest forward, head back. See the impact at the thigh joints. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Slowly relax yourself and come back. We will go for Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving 2/3 behind. Heels together, toes apart. Hands along with the body, back and neck straight. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms, root of the thumb at the chest cavity, wrist to elbow straight, elbows close to the body. Don't keep your muscles stiff. Relax yourself. Your shoulders also should be relaxed. We will invoke the sun god. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder width. Don't join the palms. Keep both the palms at the shoulder width. Once again, inhale and bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat on the spine. Those who has backache, in next pose, don't bend forward or do it up to your capacity. Shoulders along with the ears. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Keep your hands in stretched position so that you will be able to bend better. Completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor without bending the knees. Bring your forehead towards the knees. Those who are comfortable, try to place the entire palm on the floor beside the feet, but don't bend the knees. Concentration at Manipur chakra, behind the navel on the spine. Those who cannot place the palms on the floor, bend your knees a little. Firmly place both the palms either side of the feet. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe is in standing position. Right knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Don't keep your hips up. Try to bring your lower back down as much as possible. Concentration at Swadhisthana chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs, join both the feet. Without displacing the palms or the feet, move your body back and try to place heels on the floor. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at Sahasrara chakra at the crown of the head. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor. The inclined position, knee straight, elbow straight, total weight on the palms. First knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor. Those who are not comfortable placing forehead, you can place chin on the floor. Palms close to the chest, elbows looking up. Your lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift your navel portion a little. Concentration at Anahata chakra, behind the heart on the spine. Inhaling, pushing body forward, straighten the elbows, bring your lower back down and bend back maximum. Concentration at Mooladhara chakra, at the tip of the spine. Try to bring your lower back down a little more. Exhaling, without taking support of your knees, try to lift yourself up. Go back, try to place heels on the floor again. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. You can take help of your hands if required. Left knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, bend forward and see if you can place the palms on the floor. If you cannot, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Forehead coming closer to the knees. Knees are straight. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up and bend back from the cervical. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the backbone, relax. Comfortable distance between both the legs, hands along with the body. Normalize the breath and recollect all the warm-ups and Surya Namaskar. We will do Navasana. Those who has backache, you can do Tadasana, or you can lift the legs to 90 degrees or up to your capacity. Inhaling, take both the hands towards the head on the floor. from elbow to rear side of the palm should be touching the floor. Don't join the palms. Palms should be at the shoulder width. Toes in stretching position. Now keeping knees are straight, toes in stretching position. Inhaling, bring the legs towards the head on the floor. But don't bend the knees. In the final stage, rear side of the feet should touch the floor. Even if you are not able to place the toes or rear side of the toes, don't bend your knees. Exhaling, lift yourself up, bend forward and see your hands are surpassing the toes. Forehead is coming closer to the knees. Now maintaining this position, roll on your backbone. Check yourself whether your knees are straight or not. Relax. Come back and sit in relaxed position. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands behind the hips. Look up and close your eyes. Normalize the breath. We will do Konasana. Join both the legs. Keep your palms as close as possible towards the hips. Those who are not comfortable, you can keep a little distance. Now, throughout the asana, make sure your toes are in stretching position, knees are straight. Now, inhaling, lift the central part of the body up. You can suspend your head at the back. Try to lift maximum. In the final stage, normal breathing. Don't bend your knees just to place your toes on the floor. First, try to lift maximum. Once you feel comfortable, in the normal breath, every time when you inhale, try to lift little more up and see if you can place the toes on the floor without bending the knees. Exhaling, keeping your knees straight, toes in stretching position, slowly come back. And relax in Vajrasana by placing both the palms towards your right. Fold both the legs in one go from left. Toes together, heels apart, sit in between. Both knees together, palms on the knees. Back and neck straight, eyes gently closed. We will do Ustrasana. Those who have severe knee pains, please avoid this. Rest of them, lift yourself on the knees. Keep shoulder width between both the knees and also between both the feet. Hands along with the body, back and neck straight. Now bring your palms towards the abdomen. Place both the thumbs on the spine. Join both the thumbs. Remaining 4 fingers towards the sides. Throughout this asana, make sure you close your eyes. Now inhaling, slowly bend back from your navel portion, from the tip of your backbone, from knee to thigh joint straight, and you are bending back from your lower back. Bend maximum. Only those who are comfortable, take out the hands, try to place the palms on the sole, not on the heels. If you are not able to place your palms on the sole, stay back in the previous position. Normal breathing. Now try to straighten the body from knee to thigh joint straight. Try to push your navel portion forward. Exhaling, slowly come back to previous position. Inhaling, straighten the body. Now exhaling, come on to the Vajrasana. Normalize your breath. We will do Shashakasana as a counter asana. Make sure throughout the Shashakasana, your hips are continuously touching the heels. Wherever you are comfortable, just bend up to there. Now, inhaling, take both the hands up. Shoulders close to the ears. Both hands at the shoulder width. Now, once again, inhale and stretch both the hands up. Exhaling, shoulders along with the ears. Slowly bend forward. Make sure your chin is coming first so that your back will be straight. Completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can place the palms on the floor. Once you place the palms, bend a little more down and you can place elbows on the floor. Make sure your hips are continuously touching the heels. Now without lifting the hips, try to place forehead on the floor, lung close on the knees. Normal breathing. Inhaling, first straighten the elbows, keeping shoulders along with the ears. Slowly raise the body up. Exhaling, bring the hands from sideways and lie down on the abdomen. We will do Tiriyak Bhujangasana. Forehead on the floor. Bring your palms close to the chest, either side of the chest. Your elbows looking up. Both legs together. Rear side of the feet should be on the floor. Now inhaling, lift yourself up from the front, straighten the elbows. Now bring your lower back down. Now inhaling, turn towards your right, twist yourself at the shoulder and look at your left leg from toe to thigh joint. First start looking at your toes, twist little more and see if you can look at your thighs also. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Now look at your right leg from toe to thigh joint. Make sure your elbows are straight. Exhaling, come to center. Slowly come down. Once lung close on the floor, forehead on the floor. Sithilasana, right side, Vishrant. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes. Little away from the face in the form of uppercase of L. Now bring the right hand straight under the head. Turn right. Come on to the backbone. We will do Halasana. Those who has severe backache, please do it up to your capacity. You can lift your legs to 90 degrees if you cannot bring them towards the head. Both legs together, hands along with the body, palms looking down. Throughout this asana, your palms will be touching the floor. Now, inhaling without bending the knees, keeping your toes in stretching position, lift both the legs to 90 degrees. Those who has backache, keep your legs over here. Rest of them, exhaling, take your legs towards the head on the floor. Make sure your palms are touching the floor. Your rear side of the feet is touching the floor towards the head. Normal breathing. By default, Jalandhar Bandh is applied. While coming back, we need to come as slow as possible. Don't come quickly. No sudden movements. Your back is very sensitive now. Now inhaling, slowly each vertebrae, inch by inch, slowly come back. As slow as possible. Once you come to 90 degrees, stay there. Once you bring your legs to 90 degrees, exhaling, bring both the legs again slowly towards the floor. Normalize the breath. We will go for counter asana, which is Matsyasan. Those who can come to Padmasan while lying down on the back, come to Padmasan. Those who cannot come to Padmasan, just cross your legs. Left leg on the floor, right leg just crossed on the left leg. Those who can come to Padmasan, come on to Padmasan and catch hold of the respective toes. Try to place your knees on the floor. Now, all of them, take both the hands towards the head. Place the palms either side of the cheeks. Your fingers looking inside, looking towards the body. Taking support of your palms, lift your head and place the crown of the head on the floor. Once you place the crown of the head on the floor, take out your hands. Again, catch hold of the toes. Those who are in Padmasan. Those who are not in Padmasan, place your palms close to the thighs or under the thighs. You can lift your lower back a little more up. If you have a backache, this will help reduce the back pain. Those who have thyroid problem, this will help reduce the thyroid problem as well. Exhaling, slowly normalize your head. Now placing both the palms either side of the thighs. Slowly take support of your elbows, lift yourself up. Your elbows are as a stand. Now you can lift your knees a little, those who are in Padmasan. If you are not in Padmasan, just keep your legs on the floor in the crossed manner. Now we will do neck exercise here. Exhaling, bring head forward, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Exhaling, bring it forward. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now inhaling, turn right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch a little more back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, turn right, right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. exhaling left, slowly come forward, inhaling right, slowly take it back, exhaling left, slowly come forward, inhaling right, slowly take it back, exhaling left, slowly come forward, come to center, we will do anti-clockwise, exhaling down, inhaling left, slowly take it back, exhaling right, slowly come forward, inhaling left, slowly take it back, exhaling right, slowly come forward, inhaling left, slowly take it back, exhaling right, slowly come forward, come to center, slowly normalize your Padmasana, relax your Padmasana, lie down on your backbone, relax in Shavasana, keeping comfortable distance between both the legs, hands along with the body, normalize the breath and start introspecting the body with your mental eye. Turning from right, come to sitting position. Please unmute yourself. We will go for Hasi. Let's laugh together wholeheartedly. Inhaling, taking both the hands up. Relax. Sit in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever asana you are comfortable with. We'll go for Pranayama. We will do Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Those who has asthma, high blood pressure or heart element should not apply bandhas or hold the breath. The rest of them can hold the breath or apply bandhas. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Fold first two fingers of your right hand, place them at the root of the thumb, remaining two fingers straight. Elbow close to the body. There should not be any tension in any of the body parts. Relax yourself. We first listen to the instructions and then do it. We will inhale while counting 4. We will hold the breath inside, apply Tribandh while counting 8. We will exhale through right nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside while counting 4, apply Tribandh. Release bandhas. Start inhaling through right nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside, apply Tribandh while counting 8. Exhale through left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside, apply Tribandh while counting 4. Release bandhas, normalize the breath and then repeat. So we will be inhaling, holding the breath, exhaling, holding the breath in 1:2:2:2:1 ratio. If you cannot hold for 8 count, Reduce the inhalation itself. Inhale 3, hold the breath with 6, likewise. So let's start. Close the right nostril with thumb. Inhale through left nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribal while counting 8. Release Bandhas. Start exhaling through right nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Tribal while counting 4. Release Bandhas. Start inhaling through right nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribal while counting 8. Release Bandhas. Start exhaling through left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Tribal while counting 4. Release Bandhas. Normalize the breath and then repeat. Once you complete the round, relax. Don't stop in between. We will go for meditation. Sit in comfortable position. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. We will chant Om in 1:1 ratio. First listen to me 2 times and then join. Om. 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 Chant. Chant Om internally. Slowly move your concentration towards the breathing. Concentrate at the tip of the nose and observe breathing pattern. Slowly shift your concentration towards thoughts. Let, let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Just observe them as a spectator. Chant. We will chant Om followed by Mrityunjay mantra. Take a deep breath. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this state for some time. Gently smear your eyelids with fingertips. Open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch your toes forward and back. right and left. Rotate them clockwise. And anti-clockwise. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.